Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Realme camera app and aiming for the QR code. This is the quickest native route. Once the app is open, make sure Scan QR code is enabled in camera settings so the phone recognizes codes automatically. If the camera prompts for permissions, grant access now, without it scanning fails. Hold the phone steady, center the code in the viewfinder, and stay about 1 arm's length away so the autofocus can lock before the phone processes the link or data. If the native scan doesn't trigger, use Google Lens from the camera menu or open the Google app and tap Lens. This gives better recognition for complex codes. Once done, switch to macro or autofocus mode if the code is very small or printed on textured material so the camera reads details. In low light, enable the flashlight toggle. This reduces blur and helps contrast. Make sure you keep the code flat and avoid reflections, because glare often prevents accurate decoding. After the camera recognizes the QR, a preview or notification appears. You should tap it to open the link or view the embedded information. If nothing happens, clean the lens and try again from different distances and angles because smudges or focus issues are common culprits. If it still fails, reset camera app permissions, restart your phone, or install a reputable third-party QR scanner. One key troubleshooting tip: disable screen protectors or cases that cause glare, then retest. Often that fixes recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.